In a world where machines rarely feel alive, the 1968 Ford Shelby GT500 breaks the mold, embodying raw power, vintage charisma, and American ingenuity. Welcome to 50 Car Channel. It's more than a car, it's a living legend, roaring with the spirit of the 1960s muscle car era. Under its iconic hood lies a 428 cubic inch Police Interceptor V8, producing a fierce 360 horsepower. With a 4-speed manual transmission, it accelerates with the confidence of a predator. Reaching a top speed of 128 miles per hour, this beast wasn't just fast. It was commanding, offering a driving experience that feels visceral, thrilling, and utterly untamed. Step inside, and you're greeted by a retro yet refined interior. Wood grain accents, bucket seats, and a classic steering wheel encapsulate 1960s design. Though tech is minimal by today's standards, the GT500 offered practical features like an AM radio and functional gauges that kept drivers connected to the machine. Outside, the GT500's elongated hood, signature Shelby stripes, and aggressive front grille are an ode to its racing heritage. Its fastback silhouette and scoop bodywork scream aerodynamics, while its dual exhaust tips deliver a thunderous soundtrack. Originally priced at around $4,500, the GT500 was a premium choice in its heyday. Facing competitors like the Chevy Camaro SS and Pontiac GTO, the GT500 stood out with superior horsepower and Shelby's racing pedigree. Its disadvantages: poor fuel economy and a heavy frame. But for muscle car enthusiasts, these quirks only add to its charm. The 1968 Shelby GT500 isn't just a car, it's an experience.